Now students, moving to page number 64. A compound is a pure substance consisting of two or more elements which have been chemically combined. Water, for example, is made up of two elements, oxygen and hydrogen, which have been combined during a chemical reaction. A word equation may be used to describe a chemical reaction. In the case of water, the equation is for its formation is written as hydrogen plus oxygen will become water. Below are more examples of compounds and their constituent elements. Can you write down the chemical symbols for their elements? Now, beta, they are saying that on page number 63, we have discussed that what is a compound. A compound is a substance, it is a pure substance when it consists of two or more elements, when they combine together, when two or more elements combine together, so they form a what? They form a pure substance which is called a compound. And so water is an example of compound because it is made of two elements, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, and how beta two elements of hydrogen and one element of oxygen will make the water. And when we combine oxygen and water, so they will form what? They will form water. So beta to represent them, उनको represent करने के लिए हम उनकी word equation लिखते हैं. Okay, and how do we write the equation of water? When we add hydrogen with water, hydrogen plus water, और उसके आगे बेटा हम arrow लगाएंगे कि it will become water. And on page number 64 and 65, there are some compounds given to you, and there are the elements which make up these compounds. Okay, for example, in number 1, common salt, which we use commonly in our homes, which is sodium chloride. So it is made of which elements, beta? Sodium and chlorine. When we add sodium and chlorine, it will make what? It will make common salt or sodium chloride. And the you can say the symbol of sodium is Na. हमने जब periodic table में पढ़ा था पेज नंबर 60 पे, तो सोडियम का एलिमेंट सिंबल क्या था? Na. और क्लोरीन का सिंबल क्या होगा? Cl. तो बेटा हम ये लिख सकते हैं Na plus Cl will form NaCl. Okay, and then we have sand, which is silicon dioxide. When we add silicon with oxygen, so it will make sand, or you can say silicon dioxide as well. Then we have dry ice, and dry ice is we can say it's solid carbon dioxide. Because the solid form of carbon dioxide, we can say it dry ice, and it is made of two elements, which is carbon plus oxygen. And now moving to page number 65, which is the compound is chalk, and they are made of three elements. On page number 64, we have discussed that there are some elements which are made of two elements. There are some compounds which are made of two elements. Now we have a compound which is chalk, and the name of the chalk is calcium carbonate. And they are made of three elements: calcium, carbon, and oxygen. So when we add these three elements, they make what? They make chalk. Then we have sugar. Sugar is also made of three elements, which is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. When we add these three elements, they form sugar. Then we have polythene, which is a kind of plastic which through which we use to make some plastic materials. And when we add carbon with oxygen, so it will make what? It will make the compound of polythene, okay, which is a kind of plastic. So students, I hope 3.3 lesson 3.3 is clear to you all, which is still page number 65. And from page number 64, we are going to discuss in the next class. So till then everyone, take care. Allah Hafiz.